Hello and welcome to another video tutorial of WordPress. Today we are going to learn how can we add Glassmorphism effect in our WordPress website. To add this feature, we need two plugins, Marquee Addons and Marquee Addons Pro. I have installed both plugins for my website. So this is how it looks like. So for Glassmorphism effect, we have six effects like glass frost, light frost, grain frost, fine frost, heavy frost, and soft mist. So this is how it looks like. So let's get started. How can we create this type of glass morphism effect for our WordPress website? So I have opened a page with Elementor page builder. So right now I need a container here. So I have created a container. So I need to set here a minimum height for it. For an example, I will make it 100 vh, and let's set a background and background image for this container. Let's select this one. Okay, I've selected that. So I need a container for this uh, section. For an example, make so let's copy this one and okay, and make it white. This color should be white, and also make it center align, and my container content should be justify content center. So this is how it looks like, and font size should be 50 pixel, 50 pixel. So if I click on here, edit container, in style tab we can see here MA background. I repeat again, we need two plugins, Marquee Addons and Marquee Addons Pro. When we activate both plugins, in container style tab we can see here an option called MA background, where we can select our effects, our desired effects. So for an example, I will select glass morphism effect, and I will select glass frost here like this. So now I will create all this. I will create a rest effect for this container. Let's create that. Okay, so I have created six container for six effect. So I have already here added glass frost effect. For this one we should select light frost. For this one we should select grain frost. For this one, fine frost, and this one should be heavy frost, and lastly we should select here soft mist effect. So after add these effects to container, if we hit the publish button and click on preview, so we can see that our effects, how it actually works. So this is how glass frost look like: light frost, grain frost, fine frost, heavy, and soft mist. So this is how actually glass morphism effects work, or how we can add glass morphism effect in our WordPress website. Thanks for watching.